You've been provided with a jumbo test tube and a nice clean beaker in which to rest it. Benzoic acid is next to the scale, where you'll weigh out the appropriate quantity. That will go into the jumbo test tube. Phenolphthalein lives on the buffet table in a small dropper bottle. These should stay here. If you do borrow, bring it right back. After you've added your benzoic acid and phenolphthalein to the water in the test tube, to agitate, swirl by hand. Don't use the vortex machine, please. When it's time to heat your tube, you'll want a pretty good burner flame. You'll use your test tube clamp to securely grip the tube. I'm now gently heating. The mouth of the tube is pointed toward the wall. I'm moving the tube, as you can see, so that I don't get a particularly hot spot. With benzoic acid in the solution, it tends to boil up very violently. So I can feel a little vibration, and I know it's getting close to boiling, so I'm ready to remove it from the heat. You can see I'm ready to remove it, but I do want it to boil up, boil up, boil up, boil up, boil up. Okay, there we go. So that boiled up perfectly. I'll turn off my fire. I will rest the tube in the beaker where it can cool safely. Later on in the hour, you'll need some solid NaOH. You need 1 pellet. So this is dangerous stuff, but I have provided you with some forceps where you can try to grab a single pellet. Much later on in the hour, you have a choice of many reagents. I put them in this bucket here on the buffet table, and when you get to that stage, you can choose what you would like to use from here. There is a waste beaker for the cleanup phase, and that's on the buffet table as well.